All right, let's talk about one of the most critical decisions you'll make for your business, choosing your accounting software. Think of it as picking a financial co-pilot. Get it right and you're soaring. Get it wrong and, well, it can get pretty turbulent. Today we're going to make that choice a whole lot simpler.
And that's really the million-dollar question, isn't it? It's never about finding the single best platform out there. It's about finding the absolute best fit for your business, how you work, how you're growing, and where you want to go. Okay, so here's our game plan. We're going to walk through the best options for different kinds of businesses. We'll start with the solo service professional, then move to the growing team, the business that's really starting to scale, and even the super specialized user. Then at the end, I'll give you a really simple framework to help you lock in your final choice. Sound good? Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about the freelancer, the consultant, the small service-based business owner. You know who you are. For you, the most important thing isn't a million complicated features you'll never touch. It's all about simplicity, a clean look, and just being incredibly easy to use. So for this kind of user, one name just keeps popping up again and again. FreshBooks. It's actually PCMag's editor's choice specifically for service-based businesses, and believe me, there's a really good reason for that. This quote from Brockbank Consulting just nails it. You see, FreshBooks didn't start its life as some clunky, all-in-one accounting suite. It started as a simple invoicing tool. And that DNA, that core focus, that's its superpower. It's all about making sure you get paid as fast and as painlessly as possible. So here's the deal with FreshBooks. The pros are huge. An amazing user experience, even if you hate numbers. Great tools for tracking your time, and frankly, some of the best-looking, most professional invoices out there. The catch? Well, if you sell physical products, its inventory tracking is basic at best. And the price can start to climb as you add more people to your team. Okay, but what happens when you're not a one-person shop anymore? You're hiring people. Suddenly, you need your software to be a collaboration hub where your sales team, your ops people, and, of course, your accountant can all work together seamlessly. And this, right here, is Xero's killer feature. It's a total game changer. Well, pretty much every other platform makes you pay more and more as you add users. Xero gives you unlimited users on every single one of its plans. For a company that's growing its headcount, that is a massive, massive cost saver. That unlimited user thing is exactly why PCMag calls it the best for multiple users. It's just built for teamwork, with a solid mobile app and really good reporting. Now, on the flip side, the design is a bit more functional than it is beautiful. And you might find yourself needing to upgrade to a pricier plan to get more advanced features like full inventory management. Okay, now we're moving into the heavyweights. This is for the business that's really hitting its stride. You've got more complex needs. Maybe you're selling products, managing inventory, and you need some serious automation, deep reporting, and the ability to plug into all your other business tools. When you get to this level, there are really two titans battling it out. On one side, you have QuickBooks Online, the industry standard, the benchmark, with a ridiculously huge ecosystem of apps that plug right into it. And on the other, you've got Zoho Books, the powerful challenger that's part of its own all-in-one suite of business tools. So let's break that down. QuickBooks is PCMag's best overall for a reason. Its features, especially for inventory, are just top-notch. It connects to everything from Shopify to Amazon. But, and this is a big but, it comes with a premium price tag. Then you have Zoho Books, which is a beast when it comes to automation and reporting, especially if you're already using other Zoho products. The trade-off? All that power means there's a steeper learning curve to really master it.
But what if your needs are even more specific? I'm talking about businesses in fields like manufacturing or distribution, where managing complex inventory isn't just a feature on a list, it's the very heart of your entire operation. You need that old-school desktop-level accounting power.
For that specialist user, the choice is pretty clear, according to PCMag, Sage 50. This is the go-to solution for businesses that value deep, robust, traditional accounting functions way more than they care about a slick, modern website design. Let's be clear. Sage 50's strength in inventory is just unparalleled. It's got that desktop app power and lets you do incredibly deep reporting. The trade-offs are pretty significant, though. It is pricey, the interface definitely looks a bit dated, and you're not going to get the kind of mobile apps you'd expect from its more modern rivals. Okay, phew. That was a lot of information, I know. So after all that, how do you actually pick one? Let's boil it all down into a super simple framework to help you make the final call. Think of this table as your ultimate cheat sheet. It puts everything we've talked about on one page. You can see it so clearly here. If your main thing is simple service and a great user experience, you're looking at FreshBooks. Need to add a bunch of team members without breaking the bank? Zero. And for that advanced inventory, your contenders are QuickBooks, Zoho, and Sage 50.
Now here's how you use that cheat sheet. Just ask yourself these 5 simple questions. 1. What do I sell? Services or products? 2. How big is my team right now and how big will it be next year? 3. How complex are my needs, really? Am I just sending invoices or am I managing a warehouse? 4. What other software am I using? Do I need something that connects to everything or an all-in-one system? And finally, number 5. What's my real budget all in? Answering those will probably narrow it down to just 1 or 2 perfect options for you.
You know, at the end of the day, this isn't just about finding a tool to track your expenses. It's about finding a strategic partner for your business. The right software doesn't just tell you where your money went. It gives you the insights to decide where your money should go next. So as you make your choice, just ask yourself this one last thing. Is the software I'm considering just a rearview mirror showing me where I've already been? Or is it a GPS helping me navigate to where I want to go?